Hey, hello there, welcome back to a big weather update today. As we have a couple things to be going over today. We have new tropical cyclone Surigae, and yes, it's gonna be nearing the Philippines, but yeah, it's certainly gonna be interesting to see what goes down in the first place. But expected near the Philippines, and then start curving up to the north, and start from the northwest to the north end, and it's gonna make hopefully a mess. But right now, looking at here, you can definitely see tropical depression 2W by the Joint Typhoon Centers right now. Actually, JMA and Pagasa has a tropical storm right now. And right now, it's definitely gonna be interesting to see what goes down. With again 55 winds maybe, but anyways, really, we'll be looking at the codes. Nothing across the Indian Ocean, or just anywhere across tropics except the Western Pacific. But definitely, you can definitely see it's outside of the Philippines area. But intensification right now is expected, but it's getting pretty sheared. However, though, and definitely see it's gonna start strengthening as it enters the Philippines area of responsibility. It's gonna become a typhoon, and that's when it should be starting to curve up to the north and east by then, and should miss it. The Joint Typhoon Warning Center has it more towards the what could I say, towards the west, as it goes closer, maybe small area of the Philippines. It's under the cone, but right now it's quite uncertain past 3 days, and really that's all I have to say. JMA, of course, but anyways, we have a slight risk again across Louisiana, in Texas, and then we have a marginal risk across Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and then Louisiana and Mississippi. It's certainly interesting to see what's going to be going down tonight, as more storms are looking to be initiating later on tonight in early morning hours, and that will continue to spread eastward. And that's why we still have a marginal risk across Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida. That activity is going to continue to spread off to the east, and also going to bring in some localized flooding, which is looking to be also a pretty big, looking to be a threat. And we have also a marginal across Virginia, North Carolina. It's going to be quite interesting to see what goes down, as especially across North Carolina, Virginia. It's going to be around showers and thunderstorms that will be bringing potentially some strong winds and maybe damaging winds. But marginal risk of flash flooding tonight throughout Texas, Louisiana. Of course, another round of showers and thunderstorms. Large hail can't be ruled out, and damaging winds maybe up to 28 or 2 in the early when the storms were starting to initiate. But still, heavy rain, several inches of rain, is possible, as latest WPC guidance is showing a couple inches of rain within the next 24 hours. Then tomorrow, again, slight risk across Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and then Alabama. Marginal across those states, including Florida as well. Tomorrow, we're looking at widespread. That's why we still actually have a flash flood watch. In fact, we're expected some widespread heavy rainfall, and that's definitely going to lead to flooding. Day 3, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and then Florida under a marginal risk, and that's going to continue to move offshore, which is going to be definitely good news. Several inches are possible across Louisiana, and you should be on guard. Turn around, don't drown, of course, and just do yourself, just do it, yeah. But yeah, apart from that, that's it for today's video. Again, we'll be seeing what's going to be going down in the Western Pacific and across the South, of course. Things are looking to be below average across the U.S. the next 2 weeks, and I'll start to finally move off to. But yeah, that's really it. Goodbye.